Hello friends, Dr. Ambedkar says, if you like to create your own history, you should know the history. Today's objective question series highlighted about some of the important questions in history of the management. And all the questions are important one for the UGC NET and the ICR NET examinations. Let's discuss some of the questions in these directions. The first question is, who is known as the father of scientific management? It's a very common question and you also know that. That is the Frederick Winslow Taylor. In 2012, when I appeared my UGC NET first time, in that time the question came that what is the middle name of the father of scientific management? That is the Winslow. Then numbers of questions you should know in that direction. That is the father of scientific management. He has written a book that is the theory of scientific management in the time of 1911. The person is a mechanical engineer. He has done his experiment in Mitchell Valley and Bethlehem steel factories. That in that factory he has taken all the employees from the shop floor experiment. Or you can say that the people who are working or the labor who are working at the base of the organization, they are the samples for the particular experiment. These types of the things you should know about in the context of the scientific management. The second question is, who among the following scientists observed motion study first time? You don't believe that the person who had discovered the motion study first time, he was the contractor. After observing the success of the scientific management by the Taylor, he left the contractory and joined the organization, and the person is Frank Bunker Gilbert. His wife, the Lillian Gilbert, and both of them has doing the experiment, and the concept has come into picture, that is the Thurblick. The surname has just changed, Gilbert to Thurblick. They highlighted that during the construction process, many a times the wastage of the time will be observed due to the change of the motion. That's why he has given the concept of time study and the motion study. Let's discuss the another question. Who among the following scientists is not the major contributor of scientific management? Already highlighted two persons, that the Taylor and the Gilbert are the people who is contributed maximum in scientific management theory. The another person is the Henry Gantt. Henry Gantt, he was highlighted that in the organization department, different type of the departments are there. If you group the activity according to the departments, then productivity will be increased. He has given a concept of the bonus for giving the good output in the organizations. The Henry Gantt is also the member of the scientific management theory. The answer is the Henry Fowell. He is not the scientist in the time of scientific management theory. Who has discovered 14 principles of management? 14 principle, it is very common in management theory. It is also called as the administrative theory. It is the theory, you all know that, is highlighted about centralizations, decentralizations, span of control, unity of strength, individual objectives should match with the organizational objective. This type of important concept has given by the single person in the 14 principle of management. His experiment always be taken into the top level managers. The person is Henry Fowell. The next question is, who among the scientists discovered bureaucratic theory in management? He highlighted that authority is important one to run the organizations, to achieve the objectives. His approach is more materialistic in nature. The person is the Max Weber. You prepare your own structure of your organizations. You should put the authority to achieve the objectives. Then you can getting your ultimate objective of getting the profit or the revenue. The bureaucratic principle is taken by the Max Weber. Who among the following scientists wrote the book, The Functions of the Executive? The answer is Chester Bernard. Chester Bernard is known for, in those time, he has highlighted about human relationship is important one to run the organizations. He said that authority is essential, we should abide the rules of the authority, but without the human relations or human behavioral approach, you cannot improve the organizational productivity. The human resource approach and the book, The Functions of the Executive, that is two important contribution of the Chester Bernard. Let's see who is the scientist highlighted the concept of MBO. That book, or that it has come in a book, that is the Practice of Management, in the year of 1954. But the book and the concept of management by objectives, it is so much connected, and the scientist has given the concept, that is the Peter Drucker. Who among the following scientists bring the concept of division of labor in the organizations? It is, this concept has come before the scientific management. We are highlighting that management concept has come after the scientific management, but the concept, it is pre-scientific management era. The person has doing his experiment in the pin making organizations. The concept is, the person is known for his book Wealth of Nation, and the person is the Adam Smith. He has given that division of labor is essential one to achieve your objectives and the productivity. The last question is, it's a bit different one, not the historical one, but the importance why I put these questions in today's objective question series, because it is so much unique. I found this question 2 to 3 UGC net examinations. Who stated the concept of reality shock syndrome? Reality shock syndrome means when an employee joins the organizations, he has many preconceived mindset, and when he has joined the organizations, many concepts he may, many assumption he may achieved, or may not be achieved. That discrepancy is called as the reality shock syndrome, and the concept is given by Lindsay, Chittenden, Hull. Many times in choice you'll find the Hull. There may not be chances that full scientific name will come. If you find the scientist name Hull, and it is reality shock syndrome. Many questions are there in the blanket of histories. I just picked some of the questions. Many will come in my further objective question series. I could not describe many questions within a very short span period or very short time period. You should go in depth, go through different type of the books. Personally, I follow the Robbins and L.M. Prasad book. Both the books are good in to understand the principle of management and the history in management. Other books are also be available, but you should know about the history. Today's lecture series may be useful for all of you. Thank you all. Thank you watching my video.